Are you tired of all the complicated, exhausting weight loss advice floating around online? Yeah, us too. What if I told you that losing weight doesn't have to feel like a full-time job? You don't need to spend hours at the gym or obsessively count every single calorie. In fact, you might be sabotaging your progress by trying too hard. So today, we're breaking down 14 insanely simple, science-backed ways to drop those extra pounds without starving, stressing, or sweating buckets. Let's dive in. Number 1. Stop counting calories, start counting quality. It's time to ditch the calculator and look at your plate instead. Not all calories are created equal. Studies from top nutrition experts show that processed foods and sugary drinks are the real culprits behind weight gain, not just the number of calories you eat. So instead of obsessing over digits, ask yourself, is this food real? Is it nourishing? Choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Ditch the sugary drinks and deep-fried junk. Your body and your waistline will thank you. Number 2. Fill half your plate with veggies. Vegetables are nature's weight loss weapon. They're packed with fiber, water, and nutrients that fill you up without the extra calories. Try making half your plate green at every meal. It works wonders for your digestion, your skin, and yep, your belly fat. Bonus tip, shop the perimeter of the grocery store. That's where the real food lives.
3. Eat what you love in moderation. Depriving yourself never works. In fact, it backfires. When you ban your favorite foods, you crave them more, and eventually you binge. Here's the fix. Give yourself permission. Love chocolate? Have a square. Craving pizza? Go for it. Just enjoy it mindfully and keep your portions in check. No guilt, no shame, just balance. 4. Try the 2-bite rule. If moderation feels tough, use this trick. Take 1 bite, drink a full glass of water, then take a second bite. That's it. You'll be amazed at how quickly you feel full and satisfied. It's a powerful psychological hack that can cut your cravings in half. 5. Start your day with protein. If you're always hungry, your breakfast might be the problem. Ditch the sugary cereals and start your day with protein, like eggs, Greek yogurt, or tofu scramble. Protein keeps you full longer, balances blood sugar, and curbs those mid-morning snack attacks. Plus, it's great for your muscles, brain, and mood.
But before we dive into number 6, where in the world are you watching this from? Drop your country or city in the comments. We love seeing how far our healthy community reaches. And hey, if you're enjoying these tips so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, ding ding, so you never miss out on our simple, science-backed health hacks. All right, let's keep it going. 6. Walk for 2 minutes every hour. Don't have time to exercise? No worries. Just stand up and move every hour. Walk to the kitchen, stretch, grab some water, whatever gets your body out of that chair. Even 2 minutes of movement per hour adds up fast and can improve your metabolism, focus, and mood. 7. Never eat from the bag. We've all been there. Open a bag of chips and suddenly, it's empty. Here's how to fix it. Always serve snacks on a plate or in a small bowl. When you see your portion, you're more likely to stop when it's gone, rather than eating mindlessly. Your future self will thank you. 8. Use the 10-minute rule. Craving ice cream? Wait 10 minutes. If you still want it, go ahead and enjoy. But more often than not, that craving fades, and you'll realize you didn't really need it. It's a simple pause that gives your brain time to make better choices. You can apply this rule to anything: workouts, bedtime, even meditation.
9. Eat bigger meals. Yes, really. Here's a surprise. Larger meals can actually help you eat less overall, if they're full of water and fiber. Think big salads, hearty soups, or smoothie bowls.
These foods keep you full for longer and prevent late-night snacking. So go big, but go smart. 10. Cut your sugar way down. Sugar hides in everything, from ketchup to bread to salad dressings, and it's sneaky. Try to limit added sugars to 6 teaspoons a day, 9 for men. Cutting back even a little can lead to more energy, fewer cravings, and faster fat loss. And yes, your sweet tooth will adjust, promise. 11. Be a little selfish. Weight loss isn't about pleasing anyone else. It's about you. Put your health first. Say no to that second helping if you don't want it. Say yes to rest, water, and meals that make you feel alive. Prioritize yourself, because nobody else can do it for you. 12. Sit closer to natural light. Working indoors? Find a window. Research shows that daylight exposure improves mood, sleep, and metabolism. Even just 20 minutes of sunshine a day can help reset your body's natural rhythms and support weight loss. So soak in the sun, literally. 13. Sip something warm before meals. Try drinking a cup of warm water or tea 30 minutes before eating. It boosts digestion, increases satiety, and even helps with fat burning. No effort, big results.
14. Don't brush right after eating. Surprising, right? Brushing your teeth right after meals, especially acidic ones, can actually damage enamel. Wait at least 30 minutes before brushing to protect your teeth. Better for your smile and overall health. So there you have it, 14 lazy, realistic, and totally doable ways to lose weight without turning your life upside down. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Which tip are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a little motivation. You've got this. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next one.